guys, as you saw in the intro video, we were in a huge head-on collision. Luckily, it was only us and another driver. It wasn't a pile-up.
Luckily, yeah.
Very much pain. Luckily, it's been about a week and 2 days already, so...
It's 9 days.
Okay, basically 9 days. So the pain is finally starting to sort of ease up, but we're still in a lot of pain.
So we feel for the other person in the car. We do have a link below. If you can click on it, please. We ask for prayers for the other driver. He, on the other hand, got most of the brunt of the force, and he's basically a broken man. Young guy. Please just go click, put a prayer down, and then just keep him in your prayers, please, because being so young, he's so young, and his life being destroyed like this in an accident. We don't know much about him. We don't, so, like we say, we don't know him. So, but just please go and pray for the guy. We just want to thank everybody that was involved in helping us, and the other guy, everybody that was on scene, everybody, the people while we were busy trying to get out of the car, those who broke windows and just assisted. Thank you. The guy that stopped, the first vehicle that stopped, he just disappeared after a while, but he called the ambulance and the police. So thank you for you, whoever you are. Thank you. You might have saved a couple of people's lives. So.
Thank you to the state vet.
He
drove out all the way to the crash site and checked up on Rain and put on a drip, because we weren't allowed to give them water or food the previous day because they were supposed to go for their operation. So thank you for the state vet, and thank you for the lady that helped us with the dogs, putting them all in the car
and keeping Siri calm.
Yes.
So thanks for all the people who helped us and assisted us in getting home. We were stranded in the middle of nowhere, and strangers just came back and helped us, and this lady said, just go here, go do this, go do that. I just took care of the car, and before we said, there was just people, no, don't worry to go home, we've got it sorted, this guy will take you from here to Bazwan, and from Bazwan
take us home.
So we want to thank everybody of you, Graham, that took us from Alpha Security. Thanks for you had to wait there until we were done. Thank you for that. He took us to Bazwan, and then Tom, he took us from Bazwan, he picked us up there to our place here in Issaqueni.